everyone, my name is Sriya from Grade 6 and I am studying in Ralla Bella International School. And now I am going to let you know some topics in social. So let me tell you already about the universe, about the stars and about solar system, planets, sun, moon and all the satellites. So let's go. Yes, the picture what you are seeing right now is the universe. And this universe is nothing but where we have galaxies, Milky Ways, and etc. And this universe is formed 15 billion years ago. And this is a picture of Big Bang Theory. But what is this Big Bang Theory? Let me tell you. Big Bang Theory is the information which gives about the formation of our universe. So now it is Milky Way. But what is this Milky Way? All of this has been with a Big Bang, millions of galaxies, each having millions of stars, were formed in the universe. One such galaxy to which our sun belongs is the Milky Way galaxy. Guys, remember this is also called Akash Ganga in Hindi. Now you are seeing the group of galaxies, but there are many groups of galaxies and this is one of the group. I think you have understood by what I'm telling by seeing this picture. Yes, I'm telling you about the stars. Do you know what are these stars? These stars are also the huge ball of fires. And these look tiny, but they are huge because they are very far from the sun. Now, stars make up the galaxies in the universe. Stars are heavenly objects that are self-luminous, means they have the shine themselves. Okay. Now you are going to see about the constellations. Looking nice, right? Yes, this is Ursa Major Galaxy, also called the Great Bear, because you can see that it's in a bear shape, right? That's why we call it as the Great Bear. But what's this constellation, guys? Let me tell you. Some stars make a recognizable pattern in the sky known as a constellation or nakshatra. Now I'm going to show you some more constellations of the stars. What you're seeing right now is Libra constellation, also the balance scales, and you have another one too. And this is the Orion constellation, also called as the Hunter constellation. And these are some other constellations. Now you are going to learn about the sun. Sun, this is a very hot sun, right? Of course, it is very hot and gives us light too. But this sun is a huge wall of fire. Do you know that? And this gives the light to the whole solar system and even to the moon. And you can tell that this is also a star. And this is a closer star to our Earth. And this surface temperature of the Earth or sun is 5500 Celsius, and the distance between the Earth and the Sun is 150 million kilometers. Now we are going to learn about the Earth. The Earth is sometimes called a blue planet because 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. When it is seen or photographed from space, the Earth appears blue due to the reflection of the light from the extensive water surface. Earth is at a right distance from the sun to receive heat and light that can support life. Earth is the only planet to have sufficient oxygen to enable breathing. Earth has the right proportion of other gases such as nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Earth has the atmosphere around it, which is protective blanket against ultraviolet radiation. Earth has soil and water, which is necessary for survival of life. This is a artificial satellite, and remember, now we are talking about this satellites. But what is this satellite? Let me tell you. Celestial bodies that revolve around the planets are called satellites. Satellites are two types, which are artificial and natural. Now, what picture you are seeing is the artificial satellite. Now, let me show you the natural satellite. Can you guess this? What is a natural satellite? Yes, that is a moon. The persons who have guessed it right, thumbs up for everyone. Now I'll tell you some facts about this moon. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. It lies at a distance of approximately 3,84,400 kilometers from the Earth. Its surface is full of craters which have formed due to meteorites falling on it. The moon takes about 28 days to revolve around the sun and also on its axis. The diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the Earth's diameter, and its gravity is 1/6 that of the Earth. Now I'm going to tell you about the mission sent to the natural satellite. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first mission to the moon in October 2008. Chandrayaan-2, which is partially successful mission, was launched September 2019. I think you all know about it. This was not much successful. Now we are going to discuss about the planets. So what are these planets? These planets are where is one of the planet is where we are living, and these all planets. What are these planets? Yes, I'm telling you. Listen carefully. These planets are celestial bodies which round in a elliptical path. Yes, let us know how many planets are there right now. Yes, let me tell you. There are 8 planets in our solar system, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And you could see all these 365 days, 88 days. But what are they? Let me tell you. These are the days taken by each planet to revolve around the sun. So let me read. Let's first read about Mercury. Mercury revolves around the sun in 88 days. Remember, 88 days means in our Earth's language, which are days. Okay, or year. And the next one is Venus. My God, this takes 224 days. And the Earth takes, as we know that this takes 365 days. And the next one is about the Mars. This takes 687 days. The next one is Jupiter, which takes 119 years. Next comes our Saturn. It takes 29.5 years. Then Uranus takes 84 years. Oh my god, years. Then Neptune takes 164.8 years. Now, a question comes. Why does Mercury takes only 88 days and Neptune takes 164.8 years? Let me tell you. Because the Mercury is closer to the Sun and its orbit is very closer to the Sun. And this Neptune is very far from the Sun, which gives a very big orbit. And why this Uranus also takes 84 years. Even crossing all the planets, this Uranus has takes many years. Now you could see something like rock parts, right, between the Mars and Jupiter. But what are they? Let me tell you. Those are the asteroids. And what are just asteroids? A belt of asteroids called an asteroid belt lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are small, rocky, airless fragments that orbit our Sun but are too small to be called planets. Now, you can see some thing coming, right? Like in a blue color and a white color. Let me tell what are they. Those are nothing but the comets. But what are these comets? Comets are objects made of dust and gas held together by ice particles. They revolve around the Sun in elongated orbits. Now I'm going to tell about other interesting objects, which are meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites. Okay, also known as meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites. Okay, so what are these? So let me tell you. First, let's talk about meteoroids. Chunks of rocky and metal debris hurtling through space and orbiting the Sun are known as meteorites. And some of these smaller pieces of rocky material burn when they enter the Earth's atmosphere from space. Here is a picture. A meteor entering to the Earth. So, due to the fire, it breaks into the pieces, and let's see how it will be. Yes, this is how it looks after it breaks into the pieces. Yes, the planets you are seeing. There are two types of planets, which are inner planets and outer planets. What are inner planets? Let me tell you. There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars in the inner planets. And in outer planets, we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune in this. There's also Pluto, but it's a dwarf planet, right? Now we don't have it. The picture what you're seeing right now has our terrestrial planets. Here you have Jupiter, Saturn, right? These are called gas giants. And here you have Uranus, Neptune as ice giants. Yes, I hope you've understood every topic clearly and thank you.